Hello folks and welcome back to another lesson. All these lovely patrons voted for this one. This came as a runner-up in a previous Patreon vote. And with the 30th anniversary of In Utero just around the corner, I thought, why not? So let's crack on. Tone-wise, it's quite a strange tone, this one. It's quite a sort of blown out, almost fuzzy type tone. Live, he plays it quite clean, so you get more of a... You get that sort of thing happening. But I've gone for the Dirty Little Secret Deluxe. Does a great job of those... You know, that sort of stuff. And then for the lead part, the second guitar plays, we've got this sort of more fuzzy tone, really. And I've just gone to neck pickup. So those are the tones. I'm going to show you all the parts. So we're going to do Kurt's parts first, and then we're going to look at Pat's parts, or the parts that Pat played live afterwards. Okay, so let's go for the rhythm part first. So intro goes like this: 2, 3. So let's break that down. We have this slowly. 3, 4. Pretty straightforward, right? So you're going to start on the upbeat because it starts on the forehand, which would be that. And the first beat in the next bar is the A. So you're going G to A, okay? And you could play just fifth chord, so root in the fifth, or you could do a power chord, you know, if you wanted to. So it's... So pretty straightforward. The only things to point out really are you're going to play a whack there and another whack there. So you're going 3 to 5, 3 to 6. So if you consider this one time, 3, 4. That's once. You go around that 4 times, okay? After 4 times of those, you then start to hit this. So that's why it's easier if you kind of fret the bar chord, if you want to put that in. That's the start of the verse, okay? So when Kurt's vocals come in. So you're going to get... Okay, like that. So that's going to play around 4 times as well. So you start with this. The rest of it's the same. Like that, okay? Now you're going to do that 3 times. The 4th time you play a very similar part, but it goes... And then we're into the next part, okay? So it's basically just... So you go 3 on the 6th fret. And as you move down to the G, the next part, you just catch like a couple of open strings. Then the next part goes... into that again, right? So it's just a little turnaround where you do 4 stabs on the G, 2 on the F, then this. So it's a slide there from C to B, and then you go back to the G. This is why I like using my little finger for power chords, because it's easy. Because you're just sliding that up 1 fret and then, you know, applying the rest of the power chord there. Your 1st and 3rd fingers. And you're into that again, okay? So, that bit would be... So you go around that 5 times, then you come into this part. Very subtly different to before. only difference there is rather than going, I'm going. That's the only difference, that last bar of the phrase, right? So. Subtle variation on is that there's no rest or whack in between the notes. So you're going to play this. That's the whole next section, okay? And this is the repeat point as well. So you're going to come back to this point. So we have. Only thing to really worry about is the very last time. So on the second repeat you play. Because then you're into the chorus that goes like this. Goes round like that, right? Again, 4 times. There is a slight variance on the 4th time because that's going to go. Back in, right? So a little turnaround there. So we've got A. And then we go C to E flat or D sharp. So we have. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. But on the first beat of the next bar, you're going to slide from the 6th fret up to the 10th. It's quite quick, so I got 16th out. And then you strike the 10th fret again. And you've got this. Little turnaround. Okay, so again, slowly. And then the 3rd time. And you're back into that again, okay? So the last time, full speed is. And into that again, okay? I don't think there's any other parts, so we go around that twice. Like that, and then you go. Back into that again, right? Another verse. Same pattern as before. We do 3 times, and then the 4th time it ends with. Give you time to get to the G. Then you go back to the repeat points. You're going to repeat all those last 3 phrases, I think it is. But worth noting, there's a very subtle variance where we go. It's just that. So you stay on the B for 2/8 notes, right? Very, very, very subtle. When you go around again, you're going to repeat the chorus 8 times just before it finishes. And then you're going to end on the A. So you're going to do. So that's all the rhythm part. Let's go to neck pickup and do the accompaniment, okay? So I think it goes around the main riff twice maybe, and then we have this. Like that, and that repeats around 9 times. So the first time it's just that, right? So this is all on the G string now, and we have a little grace note slide. So I'm sliding to the 15th fret, and then thereafter it's that. That goes around 9 times. So grace note hammer on 12 to 14. and all eighth notes. Like that, okay? Now when we go to that bit, right, we have... You got that, really straightforward, just one string stuff. Just a little slide, 10 to 9 and 9 to 7. And that's it, right? Then we go around again. Then you go to the octave, okay? So it's... Same deal, right? But you're going to play... Slight variance is it's a grace note slide going 7 to 8. Then 18, 15, okay? 5 times of that. The 6th time we play... Okay, you just hang on the 18th fret there. Then we have... I think, I don't know if it's an accident or what, but I hear 12 on the B. And no kind of slide there. I think it's just straight 8th notes. Then back in with all 8th notes plus this grace note slide. So we have... That's just before the chorus. Then the chorus comes in with this. And again, it's mainly on the B string. We have... We've got that going on, okay? To speed. Like that, okay? It goes around 4 times. On the 4th time, we have... And then it stops, right? And you get... Oh, sorry, like that. Then you're going to come back in with this. Like that. Then we're into the chorus again, which is that part. And then you're going to play that 8 times, and then you end with... So the last time would be... And that's it. You're done. The whole thing. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.